Good morning and welcome to Tris Times, your trusted source for highlights and academic excellence. Myself Pragati Patel.
And myself Dharmil Manya. Today's edition brings you to the finest highlights of previous 3 months.
Japan visit. Our Managing Director Shri Krishan Mangukya sir, the Campus Director Shri Ashish Waghani sir, and CBSE Principal Shri Trushar Parmar sir had an inspiring meeting with HECB George, the Ambassador of India to Japan, during their educational visit. The main purpose of this visit was to explore the Japanese educational system, embrace new global learning practices, and bring back innovative ideas for the future of our students. Yoga Day celebration. The school celebrated International Yoga Day with great enthusiasm. Students and teachers performed various yoga asanas, highlighting the importance of health, balance, and mindfulness in our daily life.
Blood donation camp. The school had organized mega blood donation camp by Surat Police Zone 5 and the Radiant International School. We are proud to share that the remarkable unit of 2001 has been collected, a true testament to the power of unity and compassion.
Creative Maze Solving Competition. The Creative Maze Solving Competition was conducted to enhance the logical reasoning and problem solving skills amongst the students. Active participation reflected their sharp minds and enthusiasm.
Election campaign and Invest Teacher ceremony. The campaign began on 7th of July where students accompanied leadership skills, creative posters and speeches. Invest Teacher ceremony. The leaders were honored on Invest Teacher ceremony and taking their oath with pride and responsibility.
Functional Art Challenge. Students from Standard 6 to 12 participated in Functional Art Challenge, showcasing their creativity through innovative and sustainable art pieces.
The school observed Guru Purnima with devotional performances, speeches, and gratitude-filled expression towards teachers, the guiding force of students' lives.
Special sessions. Mr. Kesaria and Ms. Gorma conducted engaging and interactive sessions for Standard 1st and 2nd, making learning joyful and inspiring.
Housewise Mime Competition. A lively mime competition was organized housewise where students conveyed strong messages without words through expressions and actions.
Debate competition. The debate competition provided a platform for students to voice their opinions and develop critical thinking skills. The participants impressed everyone with their confidence and clarity of thought.
The school celebrated Janmashtami with vibrant cultural programs like Nashik Dol and the traditional Matki food, filling the campus with festive energy.
Mock fire drill. A mock fire drill was conducted to create awareness about safety measures and evacuation procedures during emergencies. Students and staff participated actively, ensuring preparedness and discipline.
This year, students celebrated Raksha Bandhan in a unique way where they tied Rakhis to trees of school campus. This activity symbolized love, protection and responsibility towards Mother Nature, spreading the message of environmental conservation.
Surtaj Inter-School Patriotic Singing Competition. Our talented singers represented the Radiant International School at Surtaj Inter-School Patriotic Singing Competition. Their melodious and spirited performances filled the atmosphere with patriotic fervor and earned high appreciation from the judges and audience.
Independence Day celebration. Independence Day was celebrated with patriotic fervor through flag hoisting, dance performances, speeches, and songs dedicated to nation.
Pre-primary cold cooking competition. Parents of pre-primary students participated in fun-filled cold cooking competition, showcasing their creativity with healthy and tasty dishes.
Ganesh Chaturthi celebration. The school welcomed Lord Ganesha with joy and devotion. Eco-friendly practices, cultural performances added meaning to the celebration.
Joy of Giving. As a part of the Joy of Giving initiative, students, teachers and parents came together to contribute and spread kindness, reinforcing the value of sharing and compassion.
Leh Ladakh visit. We are delighted to share that our Gujarati medium principal, Dr. Viral Nanavati sir and CBSE in charge, Mr. Anupam Panchal sir visited Sakmol campus founded by Sonam Wangchuk in Ladakh to explore the unique model of practical hands-on education. This visit highlights the growing interest in alternative and innovative learning approaches that goes beyond the textbooks and focus on real-life problem-solving, sustainability and experiential knowledge. Together, these events reflect the spirit of learning, leadership, creativity, and cultural pride at the Radiant International School.
Sports achievement. Yashvi Kawa, the 4th cadet and junior national taekwondo championship at Uttarakhand, gold medal. State level Khel Mahakumbh, 44 kg gold medal, and also represented India at international level at Lebanon.
Jia Kawa, 7th National Taekwondo Championship, participated at Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. SGFI state level, silver medal. Bronze medal at Khel Mahakumbh state level.
Twisha Chaudhary, SGFI and Khel Mahakumbh in state level participated in volleyball. Silver medal in Ras Garba at Kala Mahakumbh.
Yash Soni, gold medal in rollball Khel Mahakumbh state level.
Fiona Sharma represented state at national level gymnastic championship.
Prathamesh Shinde, national level bronze medal in karate championship.
Football. Divyaraj Goyal and Kalp Patel participated in state level football competition in under 17 and under 14 category.
Drawing, Maharana Jaideep Singh, second rank silver medal in drawing competition Kala Mahakumbh. With that, we conclude today's highlight from the School of Culture and Sports. These events not only showcase the talent and achievement, but also reminds us the spirit of unity, creativity, and determination that defines both arenas.
Stay tuned for more updates, and until next time, keep celebrating our culture and keep the spirit of sports alive.
Thank you.